Ever wondered why some people seem to have their finances under control while others struggle? It all starts with understanding personal finance. Picture it as a roadmap, guiding your money decisions from daily spending to long-term investments. It's about understanding how your income, whether it's from a job, a side hustle, or other sources, can cover your expenses, from rent and groceries to those unexpected car repairs. But it's not just about survival, it's also about thriving. By managing your personal finance effectively, you can save for that dream vacation, that new house, or even your retirement. And let's not forget about investments. They're your tickets to building wealth over time, perhaps through stocks, bonds, or real estate. Understanding these components of personal finance, income, expenses, savings, and investments, is key to achieving financial stability and reaching your long-term goals. The journey to financial freedom begins with understanding and effectively managing your personal finance. Ready to start this journey? Do you know where your money goes each month? If not, it's time to learn about budgeting. Budgeting is like a financial GPS. It guides you to manage your income and expenses, ensuring you're heading in the right direction with your money. Let's break it down. To create a budget, first identify your income streams. Next, list all your expenses, from the essential like rent and groceries to the less necessary, like that extra cup of coffee. Now, it's time to do some math. Subtract your expenses from your income. If you're in the green, great. If not, it's time to reassess. Maybe that extra cup of coffee isn't so necessary after all. Remember to track your expenses. There are plenty of apps that can help with this. And don't forget to set financial goals. Whether it's buying a house or going on a dream vacation, goals give your budget purpose. A well-planned budget is your roadmap to financial success. It empowers you to control your money instead of letting it control you. If you want to achieve your financial goals, saving money is a must, but how do you save effectively? Well, let's start with the basics. It's crucial to save for emergencies, future goals, and retirement. You never know when a rainy day might come, and having an emergency fund can be a lifesaver. Plus, planning for the future, whether it's for a dream vacation or your golden years, requires a consistent saving habit. Now on to the strategies. One effective way to save is by setting up automatic transfers. With this, a portion of your income goes straight into your savings account, almost like paying your future self. Next, prioritize your savings goals. Maybe you want to start with creating an emergency fund, then move on to saving for a house or retirement. Having clear goals can motivate you to stick with your saving plan. Remember, saving money isn't about deprivation. It's about securing your financial future. Spending money is easy. Spending it wisely, that's a skill. Let's hone that skill with some key tips. First up, distinguish between needs and wants. Needs are essentials like food, shelter, and healthcare. Wants are extras like a new phone when your current one works just fine. Prioritize needs over wants, but don't forget to treat yourself occasionally within your budget, of course. Next, embrace comparison shopping. With so many online platforms, it's easier than ever to compare prices and make sure you're getting the best deal. Patience pays off. Lastly, avoid impulse purchases. They might seem harmless, but they can add up and derail your budget. Try the 24-hour rule. When you spot something you want, wait 24 hours before buying. You might find the urge fades. Remember, smart spending isn't about living without. It's about maximizing the value of your money. Smart spending is about making choices that align with your financial goals. It's not about giving up what you love, but about making informed decisions. Debt can feel like a heavy burden, but it doesn't have to control your life. It's not uncommon to have some form of debt, whether it's student loans, credit card bills, or a mortgage. However, it's how you manage this debt that truly matters. One of the most effective strategies for dealing with debt is to prioritize paying off high-interest debt first. This is often credit card debt. By tackling these debts head-on, you can save a lot of money in the long run. Another essential strategy is to avoid unnecessary debt accumulation. Before taking on any new debt, ask yourself if it's truly needed. Can you save up for it instead? Or perhaps find a less expensive alternative? Lastly, consider creating a debt repayment plan. This will help you stay focused and make consistent progress towards becoming debt-free. Managing debt effectively is crucial for financial health. Remember, the goal is not just to get out of debt, but to stay out. Want your money to work for you? Then, you need to learn about investing. Investing is all about putting your money in various financial instruments with the expectation of generating a positive return over time. It's like planting a seed today and reaping the fruits tomorrow. It plays a crucial role in building wealth and achieving your long-term financial goals. Now, investing isn't a one-size-fits-all kind of thing. There are various types of investment options out there. Stocks, bonds, and real estate are some of the most common ones. When you invest in stocks, you're essentially buying a tiny piece of a company. As the company grows, so does your investment. Bonds, on the other hand, are like loans you give to the government or a corporation. In return, they agree to pay you back with interest after a certain period. Real estate investing involves buying property for the purpose of generating income or appreciation. But here's the thing, each of these investment options comes with its own set of risks. That's where the concept of diversification comes into play. Diversification is essentially the practice of spreading your investments across different types of assets to reduce risk. Think of it as not putting all your eggs in one basket. However, diversification alone isn't enough. Effective risk management is also key. This involves understanding your risk tolerance or how much risk you're comfortable taking on and aligning your investment strategy accordingly. For instance, if you're a risk-averse individual, you might prefer investing in bonds over stocks. Investing can seem complex at first, but with a little bit of knowledge and discipline, it can turn into a powerful tool for wealth creation. It's all about making informed decisions and being patient. Remember, investing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a long-term game that requires patience, discipline, and sound decision-making. So start investing today and let your money work for you. We've covered a lot today, but remember, personal finance is a journey, not a destination. As we wrap up our discussion, it's essential to remember that the key to sound money management lies in the details we've explored. We started with an overview of personal finance, shedding light on how it forms the bedrock of financial stability and long-term goals. We then moved into the realm of budgeting, emphasizing the importance of tracking income and expenses to lay the groundwork for effective financial management. From there, we delved into saving strategies, underscoring the importance of setting aside funds for emergencies, future goals, and retirement. We shared practical tips like setting up automatic transfers and prioritizing savings goals to help make saving a habitual part of your life. We also touched on responsible spending habits, encouraging you to distinguish between needs and wants, and to make informed decisions that reflect mindful spending. We explored the world of debt management, discussing strategies for paying off debt and maintaining a healthy debt-to-income ratio. We introduced the concept of investing, highlighting its vital role in wealth accumulation over time. We discussed various investment options, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate, emphasizing the importance of diversification and risk management. We also stressed the significance of financial literacy and lifelong learning. We encouraged you to continually educate yourself about financial concepts and to seek professional advice when needed. We explored the psychological aspects of money management, offering strategies for overcoming common behavioral pitfalls and fostering rational financial behavior. Lastly, we discussed long-term financial planning, emphasizing the importance of retirement planning, estate planning, and wealth preservation. The journey to financial freedom may seem daunting, but it is achievable with the right knowledge and tools. We invite you to take action towards improving your financial well-being. Use the strategies and tips we've discussed today to start shaping your financial future. Seek additional resources to deepen your understanding and continue your financial education journey. Take the first step toward financial freedom today. Remember, the key to financial success is not about making more money, but about managing it wisely. Thanks for watching.